Hi, welcome back to International Trade Decoded with me, Swati Panji, Principal Consultant at Shriya Enterprise, a trade finance and FEMA advisory and a training firm. So if you remember, sometimes back we had published the video with reference to 3 C's. We had discussed about communication. Today we are going to discuss about coordination. Again, coordination के बारे में क्या ही बात करना? We all coordinate. हमें ऐसा लगता है, but होता नहीं है. Let's understand this with a story. A very interesting story. A company decided to import a bulk of raw material from an overseas seller. Now this deal was finalized by the purchase department, and purchase department was very happy because they had been able to negotiate a very good discount. Well, अगर हम कुछ अच्छा करते हैं, अगर हम कंपनी के प्रॉफिट करवाते हैं, तो why should we share that appreciation with someone else? ये तो मेरी जीत हुई. So did the purchase department said that this is all my credit. I have benefited the company, and they kept this with themselves and got all the accolades from the management. Well, the real story starts when the import starts happening. So import started happening. The invoice had the details like 10% discount. As an example, I'm stating because of client confidentiality, will not be able to share the exact details, but just to give you an idea. So every import they made, the 10% discount was added to the invoice. Well, purchase got the invoice, they were very happy. But कभी-कभी हम खुशी में इतना ज़्यादा खुश हो जाते हैं कि हम लोगों को बताना भूल जाते हैं. So that is what purchase department did. They did not tell the EXIM, the logistic, the CHE कि इसमें 10% discount है. So जो amount file हुआ with the customs was the complete amount without considering the discount. Well, उसके बाद document गए finance के पास जिसको पैसा देना था बैंक को. Well, if the funds goes out, the company will be questioning the finance department. So the major role of finance department is to ensure no excess amount goes out of the company. So they analyze the invoice with fine tooth and they said, अरे यहाँ पे तो discount है. Why should we pay the complete amount? So they were also very happy that we did a very good thing कि हमने तो discount देखा तो हमने तो net of discount का payment किया. Well, it went on and 6-8 महीने के बाद they got a very beautiful letter from the banker stating that X amount of bill of entries are pending for the payment and no further transactions will be done. अब आया coordination. हर एक डिपार्टमेंट एक दूसरे से पूछे कि अरे हमने तो हमारा काम बराबर किया था, फिर ऐसा क्यों? अगर पहले कोऑर्डिनेट किया होता तो ये नहीं होता. So when the letter came from the bank, everybody sat down and said, भाई इश्यू क्या हो गया? And then they realized that the discount was not conveyed to the CHA, the logistics team, to be included while filing the bill of entry. So bill of entry was filed including the discount, that is the complete amount where the discount was not mentioned. And obviously finance team would always be making the payment minus the discount. Now how are they going to solve this residual amount जो बढ़ते हर एक import के साथ एक बहुत बड़ा chunk of amount बन गया? Keep the glory to you, keep your achievements to you, but also share it, also coordinate this for the higher benefit of the company. Otherwise, this little negligence combined with non-communication and non-coordination has put the company in a big trouble for FEMA contravention. For more such interesting details, do subscribe and follow our channel. And to find the solutions, connect with us.